Use the bar graph to answer the following questions. We have learned bar graph in our 6th standard. Okay, children. So, it is just a recall. Okay. So, using the bar graph, we have to answer the questions. Okay. So, you can see the bar graph given. Okay. So, looking at this, we have to answer the question. First question, which is the most popular pet? Okay. So, look into the graph. Okay. So, in the graph, you can see x-axis. Along the x-axis you have your pets, and along the y-axis you have your number of students. Okay, how many students like, that is along the y-axis. Okay, now which is the most popular pet? Okay, you can see cat is the most popular pet. Yes children, cat only, it is more. Okay, so cat is the most popular pet. Clear? Now next question, how many students have dog as a pet? Okay, so dog, you can see dogs. Yes, so dogs. How many students have dog as pet? Okay, the bar is at 8. Okay, so it is 8 students. So 8 students, they have dog as their pet animal. Clear children? So this is the way we answer our bar graph. Yes? Double bar graph. Okay, now we will see how to draw double bar graph. We know how to draw bar graph. We have studied in our 6th standard. Okay, this year we are going to see double bar graph. Okay, let's read the question. The performance of a student in first term and second term is given. Draw a double bar graph choosing appropriate scale and answer the following. Okay, so the question is given. First term and second term marks are given. Marks of various subjects are given. Okay. Now for this data we have to draw double bar graph. Clear children? And then we have to answer the following questions. Okay. Now let us see how to draw a bar graph. Okay. So we have to draw x-axis and y-axis. Okay children, so this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. Okay, now along the x-axis I am taking the subjects. Okay, so x-axis is your subjects and y-axis is your marks. Clear? Now we have to write our scale. Okay, so the marks, it is out of 100. Yes children, the marks given, it is out of 100. Okay, so everything is there in tens. Okay, so I can take the numbers, that is the marks along the y-axis, I can take it as 10, 20. Okay, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay children, now I have to write my scale. Okay, so scale 1 unit is equal to, how much we are taking scale? We are taking 10 units. No, so 1 unit is equal to 10 marks. Okay, we are taking marks. Y-axis, it is marks. Okay, so the unit we are taking is 10. So 1 unit is equal to 10 marks. Okay children. Okay, now we have to draw the double bar graph for the given data. Okay, so first term, the first subject is English. The marks given are 67 and 70. Okay, so we have to draw bar graph for 67 and 70. Clear? Okay, now we have to, this one whole bar, no, we have to divide into 2 for our double bar graph. Okay, so see, 67, we have 67 and 70. Okay, 67 lies between 60 and 70. Yes or no? So 60 and 70, you can see small lines inside. Okay, each line you will count it as 1. Okay, so 60, the next line will be 61, 62, 63, like that. Okay, so when you count like that, the middle line will be 65, and after that 66 and 67. Okay, so you have 67 will be this. Okay, so 65. So 67. Okay children, so okay, so this is 67 now. Okay, the second term mark is 70. Okay, so 70 in this bar itself we have to, this is the 70. Yes, this is 70. Okay, so here you have to draw for 70. Clear children? In order to know the difference, okay, what I am doing, one bar we can shade. Okay, so the unshaded bar will be the first term mark and the shaded bar will be the second term mark. In order to identify the difference, okay, between the terms, one bar I am shading. Okay children, you understood why I am shading this? Okay, so in one bar itself we have to divide it into two and we have to draw. So the unshaded one is first term and the shaded one is second term marks. Okay, so here where we have written our scale, no, there we can represent. Okay, so here I can draw one box and I have to write first term. First term. Okay, another box I have to draw and I have to write, and I have shaded it. Okay, so second term. Okay children, okay, now the next one is Hindi marks. Hindi marks we have 72 and 65. Okay, so this is English. Next one is Hindi. Okay, so Hindi mark is 72 and 65. So where is 72 here? This is 70, 71, 72. Okay, so 72 is this. So we have to draw. Okay, so 72 is this one. Okay. So this is 72. Next one is 65. So 65 will be the middle line. Okay. So the middle line is 65. So 65 is this. Okay. Now we can shade the second term. Okay children, okay, next one, max. Okay, so here the next bar is max. Okay, the max mark is 88 and 95. So 80 and 90. So 88 will be this line. Yes, so this is 88. Okay, so 88. $88 and 95. Okay, so 95 is this point. Okay, so 95 is this. So we have to. Okay, so now shade it. The next subject is science. So the mark is 81 and 85. Okay, so science 81 and 85. So 81 will be 80. This is 80. So this is 81. Okay, so 81. So this is 81 children. Next 85. So 85 is the center line. So this is 85. Okay, so now you can shade. Okay, the next subject is social science. Okay, so social science, the marks are 73 and 75. Okay, so 73 will be, this is 70. So 73 is 71, 72, 73. This one. Okay, 73 and 75. First we will draw 73. Okay. And next is 75. 75 is the center line. Okay, this line. Okay. Now we have to shade. Okay, so this is the way you draw a double bar graph. Clear, children? We have to answer the questions. Okay, children. So in which subject as the child improved his performance the most? Okay, so compared to first term, in which subject the child has scored more marks? We have to find. Okay, how can we find? We have to subtract and see. Yes or no, children? Okay, so the second term mark in English is 70 and the first term mark is 67. So what is the difference? 3 marks is the difference. Okay, now here first term is 72 and second term it is 65. So the mark has come down. Okay, so you don't want to find the difference. Okay, now max mark, first term 88 and second term 95. Okay, so 95 minus 88. What is the difference? You have 7 marks. Okay, now science 81 and 85. So 85 minus 81, you have 4. Okay, now social science, first term 73 and second term 75. Okay, so the mark is 2 marks is increased. Okay, now in which subject as the child performed his performance the most? In which subject you can see the child's performance is best? In the second term, max. Yes or no? So your answer will be in which subject? No, so your answer is max. Clear, children? Next one. In which subject is the improvement the least? Okay, so the improvement mark is this much. Okay, so how many, in which subject is the improvement the least? Least number, which is the least number? 2. Okay, so the performance is least in which subject? In social science. Okay, so your answer is social science. Clear, children? Next one. Has the performance gone down in any subject compared to first term? First term and second term, when you're comparing, is the performance come down in any of the subject? Yes. The performance has come down in the subject Hindi. Yes or no? So, has the performance gone down in any subject? Yes. Which subject? Hindi. Clear, children?